friends, I'm Anvesha Mitra signing in for Buzz in Town. Welcome to the Dare to Drink Challenge Edition 3. We are here in the City Square Mall in Rajouri Garden and at Game of Legends to celebrate beer and celebrate our love of beer. So we have with us contestants who are going to compete to finish this massive pitcher of chilled beer, and they got to knock it back in 2 minutes. The ones to do it faster than that, the top 3 are going to be the winners of our excellent vouchers and gifts at Game of Legends. So I can't wait to meet our first. So Arjun is here and he's going to be our first contender. He looks nervous, obviously. Have you seen? Look at the picture there.
Yeah.
What do you reckon? How long is it going to take you to finish that?
5 minutes.
He says 5 minutes, but you know your time is 2 minutes. You got to do it faster than that. It's a competition. Try and do it before 2 minutes, so you still have a possibility of winning the challenge. So you like beer otherwise?
Yeah.
You do. Okay. Can you wait to begin this?
No.
I mean, all right. So here you go. You can just take your seat if you want. You want to stand and drink it or sit? You're going very well, Arjun. Faster.
What is the price? Accept the most.
1 minute? Yeah, you're already 1 minute down.
We're down 1 minute left. Yes,
More than
yes.
half. You still have a lot of seconds left.
Done, you're done. 40 seconds left.
40 seconds. Come on, you can do it. Don't come up for breath. Drink up.
Yes, yes, yes.
Arjun took about 1 minute and 50 seconds. He fared really well. He apparently loves his beer and that too chilled. He had his reservations about the pitcher, but in the end, he passed with flying colors. So let's meet our second contender, and that's Abhishek. Abhishek, you don't have to look so nervous. Come on up. So please tell us, do you like beer?
I like
Do you drink pitchers?
Yeah,
How often?
not frequently.
Okay. So, what do you reckon you can beat Arjun's timings? Can you do it faster?
No, I don't think so, but I'll try.
Alright. He's gonna try, he's not sure, but pitches is something he's had a number of times. So, we can't wait for Abhishek to begin. Let's give him his timings.
One go.
Come on, Abhishek, you're a pitcher. So, Abhishek could not do much damage. He wasn't even halfway through his beer. But we have our next contender, that's Bobby. So, let's meet him up. So, what do you do, Bobby? You're into trading. Okay, so you like drinking? Okay, so not much of beer. So he's into hard drinks and that does not include beer. So how come you decided to participate in a Dare to Drink beer challenge? Going to give it your first shot? Okay. So do you think you can knock back a pitcher?
Yeah, I can.
He can. And you're going to beat timing of Arjun?
Yeah, I'll try.
Okay, so he's going to try and let's give him his...
One go. That's a thing.
So Bobby too could not finish his pitcher, not even half of it actually. That's kind of a shame for an alcohol lover. So let's meet our next contender and that is Satish. Satish, can you please come in? Please tell us a little bit about yourself. You're very scared. So he's scared of the beer. Are you scared of beer or scared of drinking it?
Drinking.
So what do you think your chances would be? You'll try try your best. You know your time limit is 2 minutes, and if you do it under that, you've already got someone who's done it for 1 minute and 50 seconds. So if you can topple that timing, you probably stand a chance to win amazing winner vouchers. So we'll give you your timing. So the last
Go! Make it fast, go on. Quick. 20 seconds down.
So let's meet our next contender, that's Siddharth. He has a huge fan club behind us and lots of friends. So what do you reckon, Siddharth? I mean, you have friends, you have people.
I already did a couple of bottoms up, so I'm really skeptical on this one, but I'm doing it for her. It's her birthday, Arusha Sharma, the lady in blue.
You're doing it for her?
Yeah, I'm doing it for her.
On her behalf?
On her behalf.
On her behalf. Alright, so that's some kind of a plan. Let's see what kind of timings Siddharth has to make. So you know 1 minute 50 seconds is the time you have to topple.
2 minutes, right?
2 minutes is your time limit. Alright?
Let's do it.
Yeah, so let's do it. He's all set.
Don't spill.
Don't spill.
You can't spill. Spilling will disqualify you.
Finish.
Come on.
It's supposed to be chilled beer. It's a picture.
Yo, bro. 30, nice, bro.
Our next contender is Mandeep, and he's been with us from the first edition of the Dare to Drink Challenge, and he loves beer, and he always remembers his college time and his school time when he used to finish pitchers of beer. So what do you think it is like today?
Maybe it should be a better performance than the last
Than
time.
the last time? Okay.
If you invite me every time, then finally I would be able to finish
Did
it
you
on a
get to
good
do
day.
some practice in the meantime?
Not in meantime, couldn't really get the time
Okay,
for
what
it.
a shame. Let's see what kind of timings Mandeep makes.
One, go.
Okay.
Some cheering needed.
Yes.
Come on, Mandeep.
Do it. Don't worry.
Second time, second edition. That was Foster, yeah. This is, I guess, Kingfisher, yeah. Our next contender is Sarabjit. He's Manmeet's friend. He's already holding the picture. Sarabjit, please, before you hold it up actually, I would like you to tell the camera how much you love beer.
I love beer a lot, but it's just that I enjoy my beer over a period of time. Maybe I sit for a couple of hours and then I can finish this.
And he doesn't
pitches.
have that kind of timings, but he's still being
But
forced
still,
to do it.
I've been goaded. It's not forced. I've been goaded to do it, so I'm going to try. Should I?
So he's all set to drink up his beer.
3 seconds left. 10 seconds.
Yeah, so that gets
4,
deducted from your
3, 2, 1.
Okay, that's it. Wow. So that's the end of our Dare to Drink challenge. We just have one winner. How unfortunate is that? None of them could finish their pitchers, and so Arjun is the hands down winner. He went 1 minute 50 seconds and he gets a 2,000 rupee voucher, a dinner meal at Game of Legends. So a big round of applause for you. Please tell us how it feels to be the only one to finish the pitcher of beer. It's okay? Okay, he's being very modest about it. He says it's fine. No one could finish the pitcher. So you know what problem did you play? He played God. What did you have to do?
If I wouldn't have been first, I wouldn't have finished it. After seeing so many people,
Right.
because I was the first one, I didn't
Yeah,
know
so
how
you
it
didn't
works.
have a benchmark, so that helped you. So, okay, so we're going to give away the voucher to Arjun. Congratulations, and let's have the voucher. Where is it?